Welcome to TripCreator's B2B Agent Portal. In this video, we'll walk through the main agent workflow, from joining an account to sending a polished, customer-ready itinerary. The process starts when you receive an invitation email from TripCreator. To join, simply open the email, click the Join button, and complete your sign-up with your name, surname, and password. Once that's done, you'll have access to the shared account and can begin working with itineraries. After signing in, the next step is to complete your profile settings. Here you can upload a profile image, update your contact details, add a title and bio, and choose which email address appears on itineraries. This is important because some of this information may be visible to customers, depending on your itinerary settings. Next, you'll want to configure your branding. In the appearance settings, you can upload your logo, set brand colors, customize buttons, and control which sections of the itinerary are visible to the customer. This helps you turn a shared itinerary into something that matches your own agency identity and presentation style. Once your branding is in place, you can review pricing. In the Pricing tab, you can add your own markup, adjust the final selling price, and decide how much pricing information the customer should see. TripCreator gives you flexibility to manage the commercial side internally while still controlling the final customer-facing presentation. You can also add terms, policies, and other standard information in your account settings. This content can then appear automatically in the itinerary, helping you keep your customer communication clear and consistent without rewriting the same information each time. When everything is ready, the itinerary can be shared in two ways. You can send it directly through TripCreator by email, or you can copy the itinerary link and send it manually through your own preferred channel. Because the itinerary link stays live, customers will always see the most up-to-date version. TripCreator also tracks customer engagement, so you can review activities such as email opens and itinerary views in the history section. In summary, the B2B Agent Portal allows agents to receive shared itineraries, personalize them with their own branding, adjust pricing, add important policies, and send a professional final version to customers with ease.